Hale Circle of Influence was developed originally in the 1990s. It was based on some research that we conducted looking at the qualities of people who were very successful in terms of their own impact and influence. We studied the nature of their behaviour and their thinking, and this enabled us to identify key competencies and structure this around a model which became the Hale Circle of Influence. To manage preparation and pleasantries effectively, I would always advise that you use the Hale Circle of Influence to provide you with a structure initially, and you can complete a pro forma which asks you to think about the key stages of the influencing process against the model, but also to complete the PIIQ, because this will give you some very specific advice. Then once you're into discussion in the early stages, it's important to manage the pleasantries or the small talk effectively. People who are good at this will particularly identify with the other person. They will create a sense of trust or rapport. When we're thinking about position and problems, it's very important to be aware of how the other person sees the current position. It's very easy, particularly if you're dealing with a difficult situation where there's potential for conflict, to go into an influencing situation thinking just about your own position because you're so determined to get the result that you want. However, the research has shown that it's important to, first of all, understand how the other person sees the current position and to understand how they see the problems associated with the current position. So this is a process of discussion rather than simply you presenting your own views and opinions.